So you've decided to head to Darwin, in the top end of Australia. And you're probably wondering, what can I do? Well, wonder no more. Because in this video, we're going to show you the best location to visit while you're in Darwin. Litchfield National Park is about an hour's drive south of Darwin, and it's a great place to visit if you're looking for somewhere to go for a day, or to camp. Let's start the tour. Now.
Hi guys, today we're at Litchfield Park. The first adventure is the Termite Mounds.
The most impressive sight at Litchfield are the hundreds of magnetic termite mounds standing up to 2 metres high and 100 years old. These enormous magnetic compasses, intentionally designed to point north-south with the broad side facing east-west. This regulates the mound's internal temperatures.
This mound is over 50 years old and it is big as.
So now we're at Buley Rockhole. Let's go see what the adventure is.
This popular swimming spot is a great place to wind down after exploring the park. Wade through the pools, absorb the scenic bush surrounds, or sit and relax as the cool water rolls over your shoulders.
Like, subscribe, and click the bell for me and my channel.
You gonna say anything?
Hi honey, I love you. Just a short walk from Buley is Florence Falls. Camping is available nearby at Florence Falls, or you can tackle the challenging 39-kilometre overnight tabletop track hike. That's the Florence Falls plunge pool. Don't plunge off it.
And there's lots of mozzies.
We're okay with that. Who wouldn't want to swim under a waterfall?
We have been through this one, and this one, plus number 5. That's where we are right now. We've been to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Welcome
To Tolmer Falls.
At Tolmer Falls, a short walk takes you to 2 viewing platforms at the top of the gorge. The 2 viewing platforms give you views of the most spectacular waterfall in all of Litchfield Park. Or if you're keen, take the 1.6 kilometre Tolmer Falls loop walk that takes you as close to the top of the falls as possible.
Welcome to the Wangi pool. No, it's Wangi. Wangi.
This is the walk up to the Wangi Falls treetop viewing deck. It's about a 300-metre walk and it's up a few steps.
Wangi. Wangi.
flowers are, look. I know there.
Spider-Man.
At the top of the treetop walk, you can either turn around and go back down, or continue along the Wangi Loop Walk. The Loop Walk offers spectacular views back over the park, and you can also cross over at the very top of the waterfall.
Wangi. See? We've just hit nightfall and now it's the closing of the day.
Congratulations, you made it this far. If you like what you see, why not subscribe or check out one of these videos? You might find something interesting. Until next time.
Yippee!